Hello, my name is Pedro Luis Sanchez. I am the owner of the balcony company. Our brand is Dec-Iron balconies. We specialize in bolt-on balconies. What you're going to see here is the installation of the bolt-on balconies that we've produced. And what you should notice is how fast they go and how easy it is to install, and the good looking balcony at the end you will see also. Please enjoy this video.